Hello everyone and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna fix an problem of the game Granblue Fantasy Relink, which is not working on PlayStation. So in this video we're gonna see some possible fixes for this problem. First of all, make sure that you have the original game files, because the game was launched as a demo version for PlayStation, and that's why make sure that you have the original files. If you have installed the demo version of the game, then you have to remove it and you have to download the latest game file. Secondly, make sure that you have a proper storage in your PlayStation, because the game requires around 26 GB of storage for PlayStation 4 and around 53 GB of storage for PlayStation 5. And also make sure to update your PlayStation on latest version. Many players were facing difficulties while playing the multiplayer mode of the game. This might be because of the load on servers, because the game is new and there will be more load on servers, and in that case you just have to wait. If you are facing difficulties while launching the game, then first of all verify the game files and even perform a reinstallation if required. Also, some players were facing difficulties in quality of game and also the refresh rate. If you want a high quality gameplay, then switch on to a PC, and as you know the game is new, you might face some other kind of difficulties which will be settled by the time. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can visit to our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.